Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making shrimp tacos. So without further ado, this is something that I found online. I said without further ado like we just gonna jump into it, but I have a little bit more I want to say. But anywho, this is a recipe that I found online. I had a hard time finding the plant-based shrimp because a lot of places you would either have to order it, and I don't know how comfortable I feel with having my food shipped to me like that, as far as shrimp coming from somewhere else and all that good stuff, waiting a couple days. I don't know, I just didn't know how I felt about that. But if you guys know of a place that I could actually get like the non-breaded shrimp from a local grocery store, drop it in the comments. But this shrimp that I've got is breaded, and I got it from Sprouts. It was about $13.99. We're gonna be making rice. Well, actually I have rice that I bought, but we're gonna have rice on the side. We're gonna have the flour tortilla bowls, the shrimp, and then I'm gonna make the creamy chipotle sauce to go on top with the cabbage coleslaw. So without further ado, let's go ahead and turn this camera. All right, so right here is the rice that I got from Kroger. These are the tortilla bowls that I got as well. This is the shrimp that I was telling you guys about from Sprouts, $13.99. This is not going to be an everyday meal because that's kind of pricey. This is the coleslaw that I got from Aldi's. Ketchup, the mayo, the lime juice, my chipotle, if it can focus, my chipotle seasoning, and then my sriracha. So let's go ahead and put this all together so that the family and I can eat. All right, peeps. So look, this is what it looks like. Honestly, I'm kind of scared because it looks nothing like the box. I know it said on the box this is for illustration purposes, but god dog it, it should be close enough to what comes out of my air fryer. And I followed the instructions to a T. They said cook it only for 12 minutes on 360. That's what I did. And it came out like this. It looks really ashy. It doesn't even, most of them don't even look like they're breaded. So I'm kind of scared on how this is gonna taste. My rice looks good. That looks good. My sauce. That, I don't know, Sway. I don't know. So we're gonna go ahead and put it together and eat it and try it. I'll let you guys know what it tastes like.